So young Odin here is staring at his new buddy that he just found, which happens to be a baby blackbird. Really blends in well right here. I'm really lucky that Odin noticed the baby blackbird, and this is actually another one that fell out of the nest. The parents are still by watching over them, trying to teach them how to fly. However, I was about to transfer a bunch of compost through this area with my wheelbarrow, and they're quite hard to notice. In particular, the other one really blended in well. So bravo to young Odin, because I could have harmed them with my wheelbarrow.